2 cups of water. Boil it. Turkey meat. Chicken spice. Meat spice. Cut onion. 1 cup of rice into water. Shut the lid and cook for 30 minutes on low heat. Open a can of beans. Add beans into turkey with onions. Mix it around, let it marinate. Hot pan. Sunflower seed oil. Add the turkey mix. Add a little soy sauce. Now flip the turkey. Cover with lid and cook for 1 minute. Then turn off the heat. First serve steamy rice. Now serve the turkey mix on top with some gravy. Add greens on top. Alright, what we got here is beautiful, steamy, delicious and nutritious turkey and beans with rice dinner. Like, share and subscribe, my friend.